Do you want to learn how to create illustrations like these in Procreate on your iPad? I'll show you how in my course, Digital Drawing in Procreate. Hi, my name is Erika Wiseman. You may know me as Erika the Goober from Instagram or YouTube. I'm a freelance artist specializing in digital illustration. I've been creating art digitally for over 13 years now. When I was first learning digital art, there weren't classes available on this specific subject, so I had to seek out the information online. I found various tutorials to try to learn from, but unfortunately, there weren't many comprehensive guides. With this course, you'll be getting exactly what I was looking for in those early years and more. I'll teach you what I've learned from my experience, including what I've found most helpful for me during my years as a digital artist. If you're looking to dive into the world of digital art, I'll help you take your skills to the next level with my unique painting techniques. This course is designed for beginners and also intermediate artists who are looking to improve their digital drawing techniques. I'll cover topics such as the Procreate interface, basic tools and shortcuts, along with finding inspiration, working with layers, creating a character sketch, adding color and lighting, and more. With each lesson, I'll help you build knowledge and develop techniques that you can use to create your very own digital illustrations in Procreate. This course contains over 2 hours of high-quality video content where I walk you through my art process. Each lesson includes assignments so you can apply what you've learned and create your own illustrations. Plus, you'll get a ton of bonus content, including step-by-step training, a Procreate reference guide, layered Procreate files, and more. All you need to get started is an iPad, an Apple Pencil, and Procreate. Don't have an iPad? All of the drawing techniques I teach in this class can also be applied to other digital art software like Photoshop. I am so excited to be teaching this class, and I can't wait for you to join me. There's so much to look forward to. So grab your iPad and let's get drawing.